Hi everybody, hope everything is good at your end. We are going to do one RC again, and this is connected to some pseudoscience and pseudoscience का paradox. पहले तो ये दोनों words के meanings क्या हैं? Pseudoscience is what? Pseudoscience is something that pretends to be science, but it's based on fallacious assumptions. Fallacious बोले तो fallacious क्या होता है? Erroneous. अच्छा एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ मैं, जैसे होम्योपैथी. मैनी पीपल फील दैट होम्योपैथी इज स्यूडोसाइंस बिकॉज इट लैक्स एविडेंस, साइंटिफिक एविडेंस. बट जो लोग होम्योपैथी खाते हैं दे वुड से अदरवाइज. ओके, सो स्यूडोसाइंस का पैराडॉक्स अब वो क्या है अभी हम देखेंगे, एंड दिस फॉल्स इन द जॉनरा इंटेलेक्चुअल हिस्ट्री एंड फिलोसॉफिकल क्रिटिक. ओके, so this is the passage up there. 1 para, 2 paras, 3, 4, 4 यहीं तक है. Right, so like if I just glance at the passage and try to understand what the topic of discussion is, ये क्या बोल रहा है? Deceased researchers conducting eugenics experiments. Eugenics, you should know the meaning of this. Extraordinary, okay. So what is it like, attributed to science, okay, employed, all right, something about science. अभी ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे, magical thinking. Because in the test you won't get that heading जो मैं आपको इन passages में देती हूँ. So you have to assess, like you have to take a look at the passage and decide on what the topic is. Much of what this, okay, pseudoscience. Okay. And then here again, something mortality, Lamarck, all right, socialist, okay, all right. So science, pseudoscience, mortality, immortality, Lamarck, ऐसी चीजें नजर आई मुझे. Let's go and check the questions. What is the primary purpose of the author in this passage? This is connected to your main idea, and I would love to start with this question. You know that main idea is my favorite. What does the author imply? So this is an inference question about the psychical investigator's belief in advancement following the Great War. This is specific, I'm sure you'll agree with me. The whole passage is not on psychical investigators or not on the Great War. So this must be mentioned in some para. Okay. Then the author suggests that the psychical investigator's embrace of science was paradoxical for all the reasons except. So true, 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 false. Another question connected to this psychical investigators something. Okay. Now, while concluding, why does the author introduce the deity constructors of Austria? This is what we call a theory example question. Why does the author give this example? Why does the author introduce? Why does the author mention? सारे इस category में जाते हैं. So ये specific है भाई. Deity constructors of Austria. He has given some example. Why? You need to go and look for the theory just before that portion. ठीक है, तो 4 questions हो गए. Which ones would I want to do first? Main idea वो primary purpose वाला first and this one. Remember, there's a difference between main idea and primary purpose, but they are related. Okay, चलिए अभी बताऊंगी मैं कैसे करना है. उसके बाद फिर 2 and 3, 3, 2 जो भी कर लेंगे. Okay. The passage doesn't look intimidating to me. Okay, the notion of deceased researchers यहाँ से start है. Conducting eugenics. Deceased तो पता ही है आपको. Dead researchers conducting eugenics experiments seems sufficiently extraordinary. So when we get to know that some researchers who are now not there anymore used to conduct eugenics experiments, this seems extraordinary to us. So what is eugenics? Eugenics is just like we have genetically modified food. Similarly, we have these, species, different species brought together, and eugenics says that only the healthy species deserve to live. Let's say there's a person who is slightly disabled. Somebody like Hitler would say, get rid of him. He should not breed, ये बोलेगा Hitler. So Hitler ने जो किया था in the name of ethnic cleansing, उसका जो होलोकॉस्ट था, that was ethnic cleansing. That was like, he justified it later, saying that he was trying to exterminate the Jews because their species was weak. So he called it eugenics. Now, experiments seem extraordinary. However, the most remarkable aspect of this occurrence is the authority attributed to science as such. Okay? Through spiritualism. अच्छा, ये pseudo science की जब बात करते हैं ना, there is something called आपका placebo effect. Even that kind of comes under pseudo science. हालांकि वो बहुत commonly use किया जाता है, but so there are like various things that classify as pseudo science because they don't have any evidence. Okay, so यहाँ कह रहा remarkable aspect of this occurrence is the authority attributed to science as such. Though spiritualism developed into a widespread belief system complete with the intellectual elite. Now, the first paragraph is a little dense. How will you handle it without sweating? So, I'll check this eugenics experiments, okay? Most remarkable, so this line is important. Authority attributed to science, okay? Though this part is not important, the latter part is important. Yeah, the intellectual elite among psychical investigators regarded their pursuit as a strictly scientific endeavor. Psychical investigators, questions connected hai na? Regarded their pursuit as a strictly scientific endeavor. Yet, when these Victorian seekers embraced science, they sought an escape from the reality science had unveiled. Lamarckian theory had revealed a meaningless. अब मत पढ़ो यहाँ पर आप. Lamarckian theory पे question होगा, we can come back. But I'm not still clear about what the paragraph is saying. So what do I do in such a situation? Can I proceed without getting any idea? No. I'm going to get all my questions wrong. Primary purpose का question है, समझो. So I'm going to pull off a few stunts here. कैसे? छोड़ दो ये फिलहाल. Okay? Just try to see like these two lines first. Okay? These seekers had all rejected traditional religious faith. चलो मान लिया. Nevertheless, humanity's requirement for life's meaning that religion formerly provided could not be dismissed. So these people rejected traditional religion, but humanity's requirement for life, जो connect करके the religious people, the religious leaders had shown, could not be dismissed, and powered the conviction. It gave people this conviction or supported this belief that scientific examination would prove the human narrative persists beyond mortality. Beyond mortality. आप मर जाओगे उसके बाद like जन्नत जहन्नुम ये वाला जो concept है, right? Scientific examination would prove the human narrative persists beyond mortality means there are certain dogma, there are certain beliefs that people come up with. In practice, science was employed contrary to science, becoming a channel for magical thinking. So from this paragraph, what I have understood so far is there's something called eugenics that he's discussing. Okay. Authority attributed to science, something. And then Victorian some mention, Lamarckian some mention, and then here I read this religious part. Is it very clear to me? No. Now, instead of kind of getting befuddled, I'm going to go to the next para. Much of what psychical investigators considered science, we would presently classify as pseudoscience. So the main point of this passage is somewhere in the last line of the first para and here. Psychical investigators mentioned there in detail. Psychic se connected. They play on your psyche, your imagination. They are like, वो जो जादू टोना करने वाले types. Psychical investigators considered science, we would presently classify as this. We would say this. However, scientific knowledge boundaries are blurred and changing only retrospectively. Right? Now, psychical investigators, you know that there are two questions connected with psychical. Do not worry. Something about Great War. You remember there's a question. Credible, something. Reality might be descending into disorder. Okay. I'm going to go to the last two lines. Like numerous others past and present, they conflated two completely distinct concepts. Who conflated? Advancement persisted elsewhere. Numerous psychical investigators believed they were simply demonstrating that development continues in an afterlife realm. ये देखो, afterlife realm. Like numerous others, past and present, they conflated, they brought together two completely distinct concepts. Advancement presumes certain objectives or paths. However, development possesses neither quality. Biological selection persisted. Okay, basically यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है ये कह रहा है आपको कि this we would call it pseudoscience, what these psychical investigators pursued, right? And then what did they do? Employed science not as this, but this is important, reinforce the diminishing faith in advancement. Okay, particularly following this, okay, anticipated fine communications, ये सब छोड़ दो आप. Then only the last 2-3 lines I'm taking, they brought together two distinct concepts. What was that? Yeah, what were those two concepts? They were talking about advancement to reinforce the diminishing faith in advancement, to bring it back. So he says here, advancement presumes certain objectives. Advancement depends on certain paths. However, development doesn't have quality and biological selection persisted. अगर जैसे ये लोग बोल रहे हैं, it will go beyond human life to another realm. It would display this. So basically, here it's not clear whether our author is supporting this pseudoscience or not. I'm not clear about that. What am I going to do? I'm going to go over to these paragraphs. So, when we saw this passage, we thought these 4 paragraphs don't look intimidating, but actually the paragraphs are very dense, as we understood. Still, I'm not going to dump the passage because there are very good questions associated. Okay, I'm just going to check this quickly and go over to the questions instead of sweating and wasting my time here. Cannot be reconciled with the idea that humans possess. Lamarck का यहाँ है. Therefore, how could exclusively humans proceed? There are some questions. 2 questions are here. Okay. पहले आप खाली इतना देख लो, फिर मैं बताती हूँ क्या क्या points लेके हमें questions पे जाना है. I'm going to read the last para. Science could not provide these seekers the desired outcomes. Science is what we have today. However, simultaneously as segments of France's elite pursued a scientific form, a comparable pursuit was occurring in Austria. Something about France, something about Austria. Deity constructors, deity क्या है तो आपको पता है, मूर्तियां, भगवान, constructors. कौन है वो? There's a dash here and this explains. A faction of socialist intellectuals, you should know the meaning of socialist, believing science could eventually, potentially, imminently be utilized to conquer mortality. Okay, science could be utilized. Now, just put down your pen, relax, and I'll tell you how much we need to take from this passage in order to solve 2 or 3 of our questions, like the good ones. If you ask me the main idea of this question, of this passage, I know it's something connected to your pseudoscience, because the second para first line tells me. It's something connected to psychical investigators. That was like, kind of contrast. It talks a little about, it starts with eugenics, okay, and in the end it talks about science. Fine. Now, I can explain the entire passage to you right now, or I can, give you a detailed primary purpose or main idea. But then that doesn't serve any purpose because I'm not your chat GPT. I'm not going to be present in the hall, exam hall, that if there is a difficult passage, you'll just feed it to me or to chat GPT and we'll explain it to you. No. Despite all your reading, you may encounter such passages. You may encounter something so dense that you would be tempted to drop this passage. But please don't do that. That's what I'm trying to drive home with this passage. Okay, so what are we going to take from here? 90 seconds to 2 minutes की आपकी reading होनी चाहिए ऐसे passage की. Okay, but what are you going to take from here? You are going to take this part. Okay, let me show it to you once again. This part, and this part. In between, we would just note Victorian seekers, Lamarckian theory, and psychical investigators. ठीक है, जहां भी अगर कहीं बोला है तो. Got it. The notion of this, fine. And then Summerland, paradisiacal. You know what paradise is. So we understand with the bits and pieces that this paragraph is talking about how these psychical investigators or this other group talked about something beyond human life that wasn't proved. Okay, so we take it from here and here. You can read these two lines and then these two lines. Let's read these together. कभी आपको लगे कि मैम को तो मैम ने ऐसा मतलब she breezed out and she thought अच्छा हमें पता होगा. Let's do it together. The notion of deceased researchers conducting eugenics experiments seems sufficiently extraordinary. Okay. Notion of these researchers eugenics, पर हाँ ये सब के meanings आपको पता होने चाहिए. Sufficiently extraordinary. However, most remarkable aspect, authority attributed to science as such. Science को आप power दे रहे हो. Okay. Though spiritualism, that's it. Paradisiacal and all वो देख लिया हमने. I go down to these two lines. यहाँ बोल रहा है what? यहाँ से पढ़ूंगी मैं. These seekers had all rejected this. Religion वाला याद है आपको, हमने point पढ़ा था. Humanity's requirement that religion formally could not be dismissed and powered the conviction something human narrative persists beyond mortality. ऐसा हुआ. In practice, science, last para also science, was employed contrary to science, to refute science, becoming a channel for magical thinking. Science was used, it was pitted against science, and it was used as a channel for magical thinking, which lacked evidence. That's why the author says here, we would call all these things pseudoscience. I'm taking two lines from here and just one line from here. Trust me on this. Much of what psychical investigators, I'm keeping this in mind, that's connected to my questions, two questions. Okay, pseudoscience. However, scientific knowledge boundaries are blurred and changing. Science is dynamic, science is fluid, we know that, appearing definite only when we look back. Okay, then last line. However, development possesses neither quality and all. Development की इसने बात की, ज़्यादा कुछ उसमें समझ नहीं आएगा, जाने दो. Then, Lamarckian theory cannot be reconciled with the idea. Okay, immunity from mortality. ये Lamarck वाला paragraph है, थोड़ा सा हल्का से ignore कर लो. Go down to the last para. Since it's a छोटू para, I would read this para. So science के बारे में ही इसने बोला है यहाँ पे, could not provide the desired outcomes. Segments of France, okay, Austria, deity constructors, scientific form of, यहाँ देखो, France's elite pursued a scientific form of immortality. बोला ना एक sentence जो first para के last में था, science was, first या second para में, science was made to stand against science and it was connected to magic, right? So, form of immortality, scientific form, a comparable pursuit. ऑस्ट्रिया में भी यही हो रहा था इस तरह का. Among the deity constructors, believing science could eventually be utilized to conquer death. ये चल रहा था. ठीक है. Now, without sweating, let's go over to the primary purpose. And we just need to eliminate properly. Okay. Now, what is primary purpose? Main idea plus first line of every other paragraph. I'll show you what I mean. Primary purpose of this passage? To expose the fraudulent nature of Victorian spiritualism. Narrow. This is mentioned in passing in one paragraph. This cannot be your main idea. This cannot be your primary purpose. To expose the fraudulent nature by contrasting it with the rigorous standards of modern biology. Overall science, he says, not just biology. Again narrow. Hope you're happy? Okay. Work is getting easier. To argue that the boundary between science and pseudoscience is a historical construct that shifts based on the era's emotional needs. अरे सही लग रहा है. मैं तो रखूंगी इसको. Okay. To analyze how the veneer of scientific inquiry, veneer is what? Polish. Something that is a dikhawa. So veneer is generally taken as a negative word. To analyze how the veneer of scientific inquiry was used by intellectual elites to reconcile their loss of religious faith with the desire for existential continuity. Existential continuity rings a bell because everywhere they have talked about religion and mortality. Religion and mortality. Even the last para talks about these things happening in France and Austria when people were trying to use science to justify uh, their beliefs of life after death, and then they were trying to use science to conquer mortality. Okay, so this sounds pretty cool to me. I'll keep it. To demonstrate that Lamarckian theory, despite its this, Lamarckian is part of the passage, not the primary purpose out. Primary purpose has to do with science, pseudoscience, religion, mortality, scientists trying to do something, prove something, aisa kuch, right? So I'm left with B and C. Let's look for the difference between the two. To argue that the boundary, to argue, to analyze. एक tip लिख लो. If you're left with two such options and you have got the word analyze, more often than not, that will be the answer. So now I'm more inclined towards this. समझे? मैं दोनों को तेज नहीं करूंगी. I'm more inclined towards it. What will I do? I'll try to prove this. Last में जब दो बचते हैं, we take one and we try to prove that. Veneer of scientific inquiry was used by intellectual elites reconcile their loss of religious faith with a desire for this. Okay, just take the key words and go back. Okay, now, paradisiacal something. Victorian seekers embrace science, fine. Lamarckian theory, बीच में mention किया हुआ all these seekers had rejected this. Okay, and then he talks about this यहाँ पे religion वाला. Prove the human narrative persists. Science was employed. We get this, ठीक है? Then psychical investigators वही पूरा उससे connected है, pseudoscience. And then again here they are talking about these. Neither quality, biological selection persisted. In another realm, it would display identical arbitrary mortality, another form of death, and squandered existences we observe here. Squandered is wasteful. Okay. Then here, Lamarckian उसने दिया है again. I'm going to just quickly read these two questions. तब मैंने नहीं पढ़ा था. Cannot be reconciled, okay. Within Lamarck's framework, species lack permanence or eternal nature, okay. How could exclusively humans proceed to existence beyond mortality? So Lamarck is trying to disprove something over here. That means this is connected with the big picture. Wherever you see a question mark, I mean question with a question mark wala, please take that and connect it with the main idea. Okay, how could exclusively humans proceed to existence? Beyond mortality. ऐसे. Certainly regarding immortality prospects, all conscious creatures, okay, how could anyone envision all mortality's legions? Not merely this, okay, persisting in space. Again, the same thing that is being talked about here, right? So, life, death, mortality, religion, okay. So, between these two, this is definitely much better. Veneer of scientific inquiry, they took the help of science, and under that guise, G-U-I-S-E, they, these people, the Victorian seekers या जो भी बोला है वहाँ, to reconcile their loss of this. ठीक है, यहाँ पे Victorian spiritualism है, spiritualism becomes narrow. Overall, it's connected with existential continuity and religious faith, and how that was something that those psychical investigators were looking for, and that is what something today we would call pseudoscience. Okay? So C is good over here. Hope you understood the elimination. Then, would I do this? Psychicals, because not just psychical investigators, they are talking about it connected with the Great War. So this makes it more specific. I would love to do this next. Imply about this in advancement following the Great War. Let's go back. ठीक है? यहाँ है Great War's disaster. I'm going to set my range. like 2 lines up, 2 lines down, development after Great War, ठीक है? तो यहाँ देखते हैं. Psychical, I would read from here. Psychical investigators employed science not solely to address this, but also, I said this is more important, reinforce the diminishing faith in advancement. They wanted people to understand that yes, there is advancement. They had started losing faith in advancement, so this was done to kind of reinforce that. ठीक है? Okay. Now, particularly following the Great War's disaster, something must have happened, like a lot of crisis. The steady improvement most anticipated would persist indefinitely seemed to be faltering. People had thought that steady improvement, okay, later would persist indefinitely, chalta rahega, seemed to be faltering, seemed to be weakening. If the communications were credible, though, no reason existed for worry or hopelessness. Reality might be descending into disorder, yet advancement persisted elsewhere. There was advancement happening, ठीक है? Numerous, okay, believe they were simply, okay, चलो. इतना काफी है. We can go back to this question and eliminate. Based on what we read just now, we can eliminate at least 2 options. ठीक है? Their belief in advancement was a logical extension of the credible communications they received from the deceased. Look at that. Their belief in advancement was a logical extension. Communications word is there. But was it something they were receiving from the dead? Definitely not. है ना? So this credible communications is what we would call attractive word trap. I'll take you back to this communication thing. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ बोला है, particularly following this, the steady improvement would persist indefinitely if the communications were credible, though no reason existed for this. Does it mean that they were getting communication from above? Communication from people who had already passed away? Yeah. From the deceased? No. They viewed the afterlife as a remedial environment where the failures of terrestrial advancement could be corrected. I'll keep this because it's talking about a crisis and then, the development that was kind of happening after that, is tarah se. So, rakhte hain isko. They incorrectly utilized advancement as a synonym for biological development to ignore the arbitrary nature of selection. Did they do this? Ignore the arbitrary nature, selection, natural selection, or whatever it is being talked about over there. So utilized advancement as this, एक बार को अगर हम ना बह भी जाएं इसमें कि चलो ये ठीक है, this is definitely wrong, out. So I'm left with B and D. What does D say? They believed that while terrestrial progress had stalled, terrestrial is what? Connected to land. It had stopped. वहाँ लिखा हुआ है आपका. I'll show it to you here. Diminishing faith. Persist seemed to be faltering. Okay. Seemed to be stalling. रुक रहा था. Okay. So we go back to this. They believed that while terrestrial progress had stalled, the afterlife proved that human objectives and trajectories remained intact. So here they connected with this. No reason existed for worry or hopelessness. If the communications were credible, if they had understood God's message, or if they had kind of got it from the psychical investigators, probably, if what they had communicated was correct, no reason existed for worry or hopelessness. क्यों भाई क्यों? Why aren't you worried? Though the development on the land has stalled, it has faltered, why aren't you worried? Reality might be descending into disorder. Right now, the terrestrial thing is descending into disorder. मान लेते हैं. Yet, advancement persisted elsewhere. This elsewhere is not Rome, China, Japan. Elsewhere means afterlife. There we will definitely get advancement. Okay. Numerous psychical investigators believe they were simply demonstrating that development continues in an afterlife realm. कोई नहीं यहाँ चिंता मत करो, तुम्हारा घर गिर गया, बिखर गया, फैमिली बिखर गई, but in the after realm, whatever it was, afterlife realm, God will give you your development. यही समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. This is what they have given here. They believed that while terrestrial progress had stalled, the afterlife proved that human objectives and trajectories and everything remained intact. So between B and D, definitely D is better. ये क्या कह रहा है? They viewed the afterlife as a remedial environment where the failures of this could be corrected. Okay, afterlife as a remedial, not exactly, but yes, they were banking on that afterlife. मान लिया मैंने. Failures of this could be corrected. Okay, but psychical investigators जो उनको communicate कर रहे थे, D has better words than B. So process of elimination से वो technique है हमारा, which says in the end you may be left with two options that look good. Both may be correct, but then one has better words. That's what happens here. They believe that while this is given there in a rephrased form. So this is good. Question 2 also done. Okay, now we start feeling more confident. Now, the author suggests that the psychical investigator's embrace of science was paradoxical for all except. I would do this later. Let's go to this. Deity constructors. While concluding, why does he introduce the deity constructors of Austria? Deity constructors. Austria, France, दोनों बोला है. Why does he speak about that? Even before I go down to the options, we understand that he has given those two examples to show how people were eager to use science to prove something, to prove one of their beliefs. है ना? So, देखते हैं options में. Then we'll go back. To provide a contrasting example of an elite group that rejected scientific immortality in favor of a socialist political utopia. Did they reject scientific immortality? No, they were taking the help of science to prove the belief about immortality or to conquer immortality. So did they reject this and did they opt for this? No. Elite group आपका क्या mentioned है एक बार आप देख लो यहाँ पे. Science could not provide the desired outcomes. However, they pursued, France's elite, Austrian elite pursued what? A scientific form of immortality. Okay, a comparable pursuit was occurring there. Kya? Deity constructors. They were kind of, making these deities. And who were these people? Among the deity constructors. Yeah, so they used to worship deities. कौन थे ये लोग? A group of socialist intellectuals. Socialist कौन होते हैं? People who are anti-capitalist. People who say let the government be there, but then all the benefits, all the profits should go to the society. Okay. So socialist intellectuals believing science could eventually do this, conquer mortality. They were taking the help of this. ठीक है? So, to provide a contrasting example of this that rejected this, no, they did not reject it. Easy elimination. Then, to suggest that the desire to utilize science, yes, they were trying to use science. To conquer mortality, yes, was a broader cultural phenomenon, not limited to this, yes. This is what he's showing. पहला paragraph में he says Victorian seekers, the psychical investigators. Then in the end he says simultaneously it was happening in two places, France, Austria, two अलग-अलग countries. And he tries to show that it was not limited only to the Victorian seekers. People were crazy in other places also. है ना? Was a broader cultural thing. Okay. We'll keep B. To highlight a successful historical instance, how do we know it was successful? Where science and political intellect were combined to address the problem of human extinction. Extinction is different from mortality. Mortality has been discussed in the passage. What is extinction? Human species पूरी खत्म. So ये और ये गलत है. Eliminated. We are left with B and D. What does D say? To argue that the socialist intellectuals in Austria were more grounded than this. Faulty comparison. इसी को बोलते हैं. This is eliminated. The paragraph doesn't show anybody's superiority. Simultaneously उसने बोला वो लोग भी कर रहे थे इस तरह की कुछ हरकतें. So B is the best one, right? I'm sure you agree with me. 3 questions हो गए. I would definitely leave the 4th one and move out because I know this 4th one may take some time, extra time. तो उससे पहले easy passage, easy questions और कहाँ है टेस्ट में वो ढूंढ के हम वो कर सकते हैं. इसमें 2-3 हो गया और वैसे भी ये पैसेज मैं बिगिनिंग में नहीं करती because such a dense looking passage kind of can lower your morale. It can kind of dampen your spirits कि भाई ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या ही सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So इसको 3rd या 4th पे रख सकते हैं. बट हाँ 2-3 क्वेश्चंस इतनी आसानी से हो गए, यही मुझे डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना था आपको. ओके, होप यू हैव गॉट दीज स्टन्स नाउ. इसको देख लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन 3. So suggest that the psychical investigators' embrace of science was paradoxical for all except. अभी मैं ना बिना वापस गए I'll try to solve this. एक दो मतलब eliminate अगर एक दो हो जाता है, then if there is a need, I'll go back. Okay. They used the tools of science to seek an escape from the very reality that scientific theories like Lamarckian had revealed. Tools of science to seek an escape. ये बोला है यहाँ, I'll show you here. This science was employed, this becoming a conduit for magical thinking, right? So ये psychical investigators का, they used science, we know that. They took science up and then they were trying to prove their beliefs correct. Okay, अब तो आपको समझ में आ ही रहा है काफी कुछ passage से. So they used the tools of science to seek an escape from the very reality that scientific theories had revealed. Now we understand Lamarckian was like, pro-science. Okay, so scientific theories try to show you reality. They were trying to get on with an escape, afterlife realm, magical something, and they were trying to seek an escape. So this is true. Their pursuit was characterized as strictly scientific, yet it relied on the magical thinking it's given there. They tried to say that it was scientific, yet it was magical. I mean, they relied on this, typically associated with the faith they rejected, right? यहाँ देख लो आप, इसमें दिया है यहाँ. They had rejected all religious faith. Still उसी का भरोसा लेके वो चल रहे थे आगे. साइंस को तो ले रहे थे, लेकिन उसी religion, that same thing the religions used to prove that okay, after life we are going to die, and then we all are mortals, and then we are going to go to that afterlife realm. So that same thing, they rejected religion, yet they could not let go of this belief, right? So यहाँ पे वही बोला है. Their pursuit was characterized by this, yet it relied on the magical thinking typically associated with this. True. While claiming to follow scientific trajectories, ये तो claim करते थे वो, they failed to realize that biological selection in any realm would entail waste and arbitrary death. It's given there. I'll show you. It's there. Definite, okay. Diminishing faith, fine, no reason. Continues, okay. They conflated two completely distinct concepts, okay. Neither quality, yeah, I got it here. And if biological selection persisted in another realm, वहां भी अगर species होगी हमारी, it would display similar mortality and squandered existences, waste, okay. We observe over here. So this is what this says. They fail to realize that biological selection in any realm, any यहाँ पे extreme नहीं है, because there the author is talking about any other realm, would entail waste and arbitrary death. Given, rephrased version of what's given there. What does D say? The reliance on Lamarckian theory provided the scientific basis for human immortality. The reliance on this provided this. Lamarck was trying to be more scientific, despite Lamarckism's rejection of human exceptionalism. This is absolutely false, because Lamarck की theory पे they relied, okay, provided the scientific basis for human immortality. No. Immortality they tried to prove through science, but Lamarckian did not provide them the scientific basis, right? So this is good. We are done with all 4 questions. In the end, I'm sure you know what I'm trying to prove over here. These were the 4 answers, right? So the passage was extremely ugly. In the beginning, it looked very cute. 4 paragraphs. Language was dense. Do not dump the passage based on the genre alone. The questions can be good. एक चीज का ध्यान देना. Even the question setter is a human. So if there is such an ugly looking passage, even he has to maneuver his way in the passage and he has to come up with some questions. So philosophical इस तरह के जो passages होते हैं ना, generally you get 2-3 types of questions. Main idea, primary purpose, specific line inference, जैसे इसमें great war and all वाला लेकर के दिया था, और एक tone. ये 3 मतलब हमेशा मैंने देखे हैं philosophical passages में होते हैं. आज tone नहीं था, वो अलग बात है. Hope my points are clear. and hope you've understood the elimination process for all the 4 questions. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this passage. It was supposed to give you a different point altogether. Keep learning, guys. I'm going to see you again. If you want, like it just so that you can understand more, you can take this passage and simply feed it to your AI assistant. Ask it to explain it to you, like like every paragraph. There are only 4 paragraphs. Maybe then you'll feel like a little more enlightened. पर मुझे तो ये दिखाना था कि ठीक है, even if you're not able to understand too much, you can give it a try. 2 से 3 questions तो definitely हो सकते हैं. Thank you guys. Keep learning. Bye bye.